How to remove Microsoft account on Windows 10. In this video, I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, the first step, you need to go to your Windows settings. So right click on that icon on the bottom left corner, then go to settings. Then it will land you here. So what you need to do is to go to the accounts. Then you will be able to see your Microsoft account here. So in order to remove this Microsoft account, you just need to click on sign in with a local account instead. Then click on next. So enter the password for your Microsoft account. So I'm going to enter that. Then once you have entered your password, just click on OK. Then here you are going to enter your local account info. So you can enter your username, you can enter your password, confirm your password, then hint. But for me, I'm going to leave this one's blank. So I'm going to click on next. Then sign out and finish. Now guys, after you have signed out and again you have signed in, you are going to see in the Windows settings. If you go to Windows settings, then if you go to accounts, you are going to see that the Microsoft account has been removed. Now you are using local account. So that's simply it guys. That's how to remove Microsoft account on Windows 10. I hope this was useful, and if it was, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next one.